Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. In this lecture we will take a look at CSS borders. So first let's create a div and let's right here say I like green. Save it and refresh here. So it's I like green. Now inside style, let's select the div and let's give here a border of 1 pixel solid hash 333. I will explain the code, but let's just save it and take a look here. So what is this? Let's change this 1 pixel to 5 pixel. Not 51 but 5. So now let's hit refresh here. See, now it's a thin border. Now let's refresh it. See, now it's thick. So the first one, it controls the border width. So the first property, this one is the border width. Even you can mention it explicitly like this. Border width. Let's make it 10 pixel. Now as our CSS rule, the last one will be selected. So here it will be replaced as border 10 pixel solid hash 333. Now let's hit refresh. See, now it's 10 pixel. Now this is the border style solid. So border style, let's write here dotted. Save it and hit refresh. It's dotted. You have various border style like solid, dotted, dashed, groove, ridge, inset, outset, double groove. Let's test it one by one. So it's double. Let's save it. Hit refresh. It's the double. Then we have groove. Save it. Refresh. This is the groove. Let's decrease it to say 4 pixel. Hit refresh. So in shorthand, you can write here border width 4 pixel instead of solid. Write here groove and it's the color. So it's the border color. Border color and it's hash say red, some kind of red, E74 C3C. It's a cool red that I like, this one. Let's increase the border width to say 25. Oh my god. Let's save it and take a look. See, it's the groove style. Then we have inset, outset. You can test this one by one, but there is no need to write explicitly. You can write in one single line, and that is just like this: border, border width, border style, and border color. Now there is another thing that I would like to introduce, that is border radius. Border radius. Let's make it 2 pixel. Save it. Hit refresh. Well, we can't notice that. What is this? So let's increase the width of the border to say 20 pixel and now change the border radius to 10 pixel just to make it noticeable. See, now we have rounded corners. This rounded corner is due to this border radius. Want to see some kind of fun? Add some property of say width 300 pixel. Even the height same only, 300 pixel. Well, no border, so just comment it. And border radius this time, make it 50%. And provide a background color. Let's make it hash 333 and change the color to hash FFF. Now hit refresh. Oh my god, it's a circle. How is this possible? Yes, you can make a circle using border radius. Let's just comment it. Press Ctrl S. Hit refresh. Here it is. I like green. Well, there is another thing that we missed, that is text align center. And also line height, make it 300 pixel. Now let's save it. Hit refresh. Now this text is in the center of this box. Now again enable this border radius property. Press save. Press Ctrl S. Now hit refresh here. It's a circle. I like green. Or let's write as I like circle. So you can make very cool effect using this border radius, isn't it? Yes friend, it's a cool trick you can use in your projects also. But remember, you need to give prefixes like O for Opera, Moz for Mozilla, like this. In this lecture I am just showing you the fun of this border radius. Now there is another thing, that is outline. Now what is this outline? It is same as border, but it will be outside the border. Let's see. So let's make the outline 5 pixel and make it dotted and make the color say red only. Save it. Hit refresh. Here it is. This is the outline. It will always be outside the border. Now let me tell you another thing. Let's say we have an anchor with an A tag. A href equals hash, and let's write here say click me. Save it. Refresh. Now here just click. In some cases, I don't know why it is not happening now. In some cases you will see that after you click on this click me, you will have an outline. In that case, you need to write here A on focus. Outline 0. So whenever you are clicking on a link, that outline effect will be removed. Now save it. So in some cases, I don't know why it is not happening. In every project, whenever I proceed, it happens actually. But unluckily, I am not able to show you this stuff. But this is a thing which you may find it useful in your project, in your future projects. So keep it in mind that whenever you are clicking, if you are getting an outline effect around the link, it's because of this outline effect. So always include this style A on focus outline 0, and it will help you to remove the outline effect from the anchor, the link. So here it is. This is the outline effect, and it is also having the same style as border. That is, you can have outline style like dotted, dashed, then double, groove, like this. Let's make it groove. Groove is cool, isn't it? See this one. Ooh, it's really nice, isn't it? Okay, so just kidding. So, in this lecture, we have seen how we can use border and outline in our project. In maximum cases, we will not use outline, just only the border. And also, we have seen in this lecture that how we can make a circle using border and border radius. In fact, if you take a look here, we did not include border, but we have included border radius. It's really fun, isn't it? Okay, so that's it. Here I conclude this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.